This is Bridget Hornsby with New Age Industrial, and this is the New Age Know-How. Our cantilever shelving units can be a great storage solution. They are easily adjustable and provide 30% more storage space per shelf due to the elimination of front posts. We have freestanding and wall and ceiling mount versions available. However, I'll be the first to admit, there is a little bit of a learning curve when it comes to quoting New Age cantilever shelving. Today, I am going to walk you through the process step by step. Let's start with our freestanding units. First, determine the type, number, and depth of shelves required per section. Our standard depth options are 18 and 24 inches. We have heavy-duty, T-bar, and solid shelf styles available. Next, you will need to determine the number of shelving sections in the shelving run. Please keep in mind that the actual length of a shelving run is an additional 2 3/4 of an inch. For example, two 36-inch sections would make a shelving run that is 74 3/4 inches long. Next, you will need to add a pair of horizontal braces for each shelving section. So for this unit, we added 2 pairs. For a shelving run that consists of one section, you will only need 2 uprights, one left and one right. For shelving runs with multiple sections, you will need a left and right upright on the ends and a common upright in between each section. Our standard freestanding uprights are 72 inches high. To put it all together, here is a quote for a shelving run made up of 2 42-inch sections for a total length of 86 3/4 inches. This unit is 3-tier, so I quoted 6 shelves, 3 for each section, 2 pairs of horizontal braces, 1 for each section, and a left, right, and common upright. The horizontal braces and upright options are all listed as accessories to our cantilever shelves in auto quotes to make it more efficient to quote. The process for our wall and ceiling mount cantilever shelving is very similar, but there are some differences. It starts out the same. Determine the type, number, and depth of shelves required per section. Please note that the actual shelf depth from the wall to the front of the shelf is 3 inches more than the listed shelf depth for these units. For our wall and ceiling mount cantilever shelving, the actual shelving run length is an additional 6.5 inches to the sum of the shelf lengths in a shelving run. A 7-foot shelving run, which uses a 36-inch shelf length and a 48-inch shelf length, is actually 90.5 inches long. Please keep this in mind when you are determining which shelf lengths to quote. For shelving runs with multiple sections, you will need a left and right upright on the ends and a common upright in between each section. We have several height options for our wall and ceiling mount cantilever shelving uprights. Horizontal braces are not needed for wall and ceiling mount units. Instructions for how to install our wall and ceiling mount cantilever shelving are available on the sales resources page of our website. If you don't see the shelf or upright sizes you need in our catalog, just let us know so we can get you a custom quote. If you need assistance with a shelving quote or have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.